Alright, so I guess this will be part 2. So I haven't touched this since last night. Let's see if we do a cold start on it. Now I know we got a problem. We got to deal with the carburetor. It's kind of overflowing. Let's see what it does. Oh yeah, right on. Right on. That is a true cold start. Never touched it before I came out here. There we go. So now I got a overflowing carburetor to deal with. So the problem we're having now is when you turn the gas on, the carb is just puking out the bottom. So I'm going to turn the gas on. I'm going to look down here. Here's the base. And then here's the overflow little nipple. So, oh, there it goes. See it dripping out the bottom there at the base? So, oh, there goes out the top too. Alright, so that we need to fix. Should be a pretty simple fix. Just, I'm not a fan of this. Not a fan of doing the carbs. Not the greatest of carbs, but, you know. So that should be just, gotta set the float height. Should be pretty simple. And I think I got her. Okay, we'll turn the gas on. That float was set a little bit high. Give her some shakes. And we're good. Right on. Right arm. Okay, what's the rip? So, why do I call it the Little Red Rocket? Well, that's pretty easy. This thing rips. Dumping it one-handed. Oh, there we go. Oh my God, my face is cold. Oh, cresting a hill. Lugging, there we go. One-handed through the ditch. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, trees. And that. Oh, my face is cold. And that is why I call it the Little Red Rocket. This thing frickin' rips. I'm 250 pounds. Oh man. Okay, here we go again. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Alright, no third gear. Okay. Woo! That's it, man. My face is cold. Holy smokes. Woo! Guess what's back? Back. Yes, it's back. Oops. Push the button. Yes, it's back. 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 Do 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 do. Wee 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 wee. Do 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 do. Ah! Cursed bike is back. Yeah, this time we got more problems. Thinking the engine teardown is due. Because now even with the decompression lever pulled in, it is really, so the decompression lever, even with the decompression lever pulled in, it's really hard to kick over. I'm thinking it might need some bearings. Yeah, oh yeah, that's gross. She's tight. She's tight. Oh well. All right. The curse, part 4, I think. The curse, part 4, begins again.